What's up, everybody? That's Investing Sensei here to bring you episode 61 of the Webull Options Adventures, where we sell options and collect that premium. So overall this week the market is down, so the portfolio is down as well, especially because the Chinese stocks have been hit quite a bit, and I do have quite a bit of NEO, so we are down massively. But currently the portfolio is at $28,746.26, which comes out, we're about 64% down, and that actually comes out to be a total of $17,493.50. Our cash balance right now is at $19,174.76. And then our options buying power is at $4,633.76. So we don't have quite a bit of buying power, but a lot of our options this coming week will be expiring on the 18th of March. So that will be very great because we will be able to place some more cash secured puts and get that premium up for the month of March. But if I pull up the charts for the S&P 500, you'll see that if we look from the very top, this is the 6 month. If we look from the very top all-time high and we are actually down about 12.35% from the S&P 500. And if we look at the QQQs 6 month from the all-time high, we are down roughly, if I can get it, roughly around about 19%. So it's very close to a bear market. I think it actually did hit it at one point, and overall the market is down, but this creates great buying opportunities and creates great volatility in my dividend growth portfolio. And my just purely growth portfolio, have been buying, dollar cost averaging. But in this portfolio, we are going to continue to sell cash secured puts and then hopefully continue to collect that premium, see how this performs. But the first one we do have, guys, here is actually AMD. So we have one cash secured put on AMD for a strike price of $95. It's actually going to expire on the 1st of April of 2022. And we actually collected $1.02, and so actually the premium went up, so it's worth way more. So we're technically down. It's worth $2.74, so that's $274. So that means that AMD price actually moved downwards, and that is why the premium has gone up. So I think getting assigned at $95 would be great for AMD if we do reach those levels. I personally don't mind to get assigned, but I hopefully think we won't get assigned. It'll expire worthless, but we will see what happens. It's still maybe about 3 weeks away from now, and let's find out how that happens. The next one, guys, that we do have is we actually have two cash secured puts on TQQQ. For a strike price of $37.50. It actually expires on the 18th of March, which is actually next week. So next Friday we will see if this expires worthless, or if we are going to have to end up rolling it, or if we're just going to get assigned the 200 shares. But we did collect $1.01 per contract. So we collected about $200 in total. As you'll see, the premium's down a little bit, so it's worth 98 cents, so that's about $98. I could buy this back on Monday. I'm not going to, because now it's in the last week of before it expires, so the theta is going to be kicking in pretty aggressively, and we should start seeing that premium start eating away at it, unless the price of TQQQ moves downwards. Then that is where the premium won't go down. But the next one we do have here, guys, is 300 shares of Tattoo Chef. We are down on it. I am not selling covered calls yet. And then the last one that we do have that we're actually down quite a bit is NEO. NEO has just moved downwards. We have 400 shares of NEO. I actually ended up placing 4 covered calls, at a strike price of $23, and it actually expired yesterday on the 11th of March, and we collected $6 per contract, and they actually all expired worthless. So that was pretty great. Kind of sucks NEO is down, but we will see what happens. But overall, guys, this is actually what I have for you, and you know, the portfolio for Webull. Let me pull up the history so I can show you guys. So you'll see that all we did was place four covered calls for NEO at the strike price of 23, and we collected $6 per contract. So about $24 we collected. And yeah, so let's go ahead and actually jump over to the Google Sheets so I can show you guys all the trades that we did, and you can see how the portfolio is doing for the month of March. Before we do move on, be sure that you're subscribed with the bell notification if you have not done so already, and drop a big thumbs up on the video so you can help out the channel. And yeah, I'll see you guys over there. Alright guys, so we're here at the Google Sheets. You'll see dashboard. I'm gonna go ahead and start from the start date, which is actually gonna be March 7th all the way to the end of March 11th. So let's find out how much we made this week. So we made a total of $23.78. You'll see credits, we collected $24 after fees, and that's what it became, $23.78. We actually did not buy anything back, nothing in gains that we took, and nothing invested. So $23, and if we look at the graph here, guys, you'll see that for the month of March so far we are at $141.49. So we're trying to get to $332 or greater for the month of March. I think next week, depending on how the market goes, we could potentially reach that goal and sell some more cash secured puts that'll get us to that level. But you know, we will see and we will find out because the market has been very, very volatile. If we look at the weekly performance, you'll see that 92, we made $23.78, which brings total of $46,679.13. This is just all the premium plus the initial investment, so that doesn't include any unrealized losses, which we are down quite a bit on NEO and Tattoo Chef. If we look over here, you'll see total, well, I guess here our current return on investment is 0.56%. Remember, we did take some capital losses last year for tax loss harvesting, and this is if you're to account for taxes. If we look at the credits, guys, you'll see that we still have the TQQQ cash secured puts, which are still open, and they actually are going to be expiring on the 18th, which you guys saw on the Webull. And hopefully we can actually close these out worthless, so it'll be exciting to see. And then we have the AMD one, which is the 1 monthly cash secured put, and then we have the covered calls for NEO, which all expired worthless, guys, and that was pretty sweet. Debits, there is actually nothing for debits. If we look at gains, there was also nothing for gains, and then current buys, we had nothing else as well. So yeah, that was actually it for the portfolio updates. Let me know in the comment section which stocks you guys are selling options on. I'll be happy to know. And again, be sure that you're subscribed with that bell notification if you have not done so, and drop a big thumbs up on the video. That's all I ask in return. Helps out the channel a lot, and I will see you guys in the next video. Take care, stay safe out there. Bye guys.